Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the product or service. Today, we're exploring TeraGo, a Canadian cloud service provider with a focus on offering secure and scalable solutions. Their website, accessible at https://terago.ca/fr, highlights their comprehensive suite of cloud offerings. TeraGo provides infrastructure as a service (IaaS), allowing businesses to leverage virtualized computing resources like servers, storage, and networking. This eliminates the need for companies to invest in and maintain their own physical infrastructure. They also appear to offer a variety of managed services, taking the burden of IT management off their clients' shoulders. Navigating the website, you can find details on their data centers, emphasizing their Canadian locations and commitment to data sovereignty. This is a key consideration for many businesses, particularly those operating under stringent data regulations. TeraGo seems to pride themselves on providing high-performance computing, which is crucial for demanding workloads and applications. Their website also mentions disaster recovery solutions, a vital component of any robust business continuity plan. While the site is in French, indicating a focus on the Quebec market, they likely offer services across Canada. Further investigation into their specific offerings and pricing would require contacting their sales team. Overall, TeraGo positions itself as a trusted partner for businesses seeking reliable and secure cloud solutions within Canada. Exploring their service portfolio further could be beneficial for organizations looking to migrate to the cloud or optimize their existing cloud infrastructure. They seem to offer a compelling suite of services and a focus on data security that warrants further consideration. You can find more details by visiting their website at https://terago.ca/fr/.